Are you ready to unlock your financial potential and change your life for the better? Today, we'll discover the 12 must-see lessons from Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Lesson number 1. Burning desire. Hill teaches us that the first step toward financial success is to have a desire so intense it consumes you. Do you have a desire that keeps you up at night, eager to reach your goals? Burning desire is like an engine that drives your financial actions and decisions. Do you have a desire that moves you to act with passion and determination? Imagine that desire as a fire that never goes out, always burning within you. Find your deepest desire and keep it ever present in your mind. It's the fuel that will help you overcome any obstacles on your path to wealth. Lesson number 2. Faith. Faith in yourself and your goals is crucial. Do you trust your abilities to achieve your financial objectives? Faith is the foundation upon which you build your financial dreams. Without it, challenges can seem insurmountable. Do you believe you can achieve your financial goals? Visualize your financial success as something inevitable, a reality that is quickly approaching. Cultivate faith in yourself and your financial goals. Confidence is the strength that will propel you to take every step with conviction. Lesson number 3. Autosuggestion. Your mind is a powerful tool. Are you programming it positively to achieve financial success? Autosuggestion involves influencing your subconscious mind with positive thoughts and affirmations. Are you consciously using autosuggestion to drive yourself toward your financial goals? Practice daily repetition of positive affirmations about your financial goals. Use autosuggestion as a tool to change your mindset and get closer to your financial goals. Lesson number 4. Specialization. Hill emphasizes the importance of becoming an expert in your field. Have you identified your area of specialization in the world of finance? Specialization gives you a competitive edge and makes you a valuable resource. Have you identified your financial specialization? Visualize being recognized as an expert in investments, real estate, or entrepreneurship. Find your niche and continuously work on improving your skills and knowledge in that field. Lesson number 5. Imagination. Your ability to imagine and visualize your goals is essential. Are you using your imagination effectively to build your financial future? Imagination allows you to see opportunities where others only see obstacles. Are you dedicating time to imagination in your financial life? Close your eyes and visualize your financial success as vividly as possible. Use imagination as a tool to create a clear map of your goals and the path that will lead you to them. Lesson number 6. Organized planning. Having a clear and organized plan is fundamental to achieving your financial goals. Have you created a solid plan to guide you to wealth? A well-structured plan provides you with direction and helps you stay focused on your financial objectives. Do you have an organized plan to achieve your financial goals? A solid financial plan can include clear goals, timelines, and specific strategies. Create a solid plan and consistently track your progress. Planning is the compass that will guide you on your path to financial success. Lesson number 7. Decision-making. Every decision you make directly impacts your finances. Are you aware of how your decisions influence your financial future? Every financial decision, from investments to expenses, directly affects your economic situation. Are you aware of how you make financial decisions? Before making a significant financial decision, carefully consider the possible consequences. Develop the ability to make informed and conscious decisions in your financial affairs. Every choice matters. Lesson number 8. Persistence. Persistence is the key to overcoming obstacles on your path to wealth. Are you willing to persist despite challenges? Persistence allows you to learn from your failures instead of giving up. Are you willing to persist in your financial efforts, even when facing challenges? Remember that successful people often face obstacles, but their persistence leads them to success. Maintain a mindset of not giving up in the face of obstacles. Persistence is a valuable asset in your pursuit of wealth. Lesson number 9. The power of the subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is a powerful tool that can work for or against you. Are you programming your subconscious mind positively? Your subconscious mind is based on beliefs and thoughts deeply rooted within you. Are you aware of how to program your subconscious mind for financial success? Practice autosuggestion and repeat positive affirmations to influence your subconscious mind. Learn to program your subconscious mind with thoughts and beliefs that drive you toward your financial goals. Lesson number 10. The mastermind. Your mind is a powerful mastermind that can generate ideas and inspiration. Are you harnessing this resource in your quest for wealth? Your mind is an endless source of ideas and creative solutions to financial challenges. Are you tapping into the creativity of your mastermind in your financial efforts? Dedicate time to meditation and reflection to unleash the power of your mastermind. Foster creativity and idea generation in your daily life. Your mastermind can be your most valuable ally in the pursuit of wealth. Lesson number 11. Sexual transmutation. Napoleon Hill emphasizes the importance of channeling sexual energy into productive goals. Are you directing your energy constructively in your financial life? Sexual energy is a powerful force that, when directed properly, can propel you towards success. Are you channeling your sexual energy into productive and creative goals in your financial life? Great minds throughout history have used this energy to achieve significant breakthroughs. Learn to channel your sexual energy constructively, whether through creativity or by focusing on your financial goals. Lesson number 12. The subconscious and the mastermind. Your subconscious mind and your mastermind work together to manifest your desires. Are you harnessing this synergy in your financial life? When your subconscious mind and your mastermind are aligned around your goals, the power of manifestation becomes incredible. Are you aware of how your subconscious mind and mastermind can work together to create your financial future? Practice visualization and autosuggestion to align these two forces. Align your subconscious mind and mastermind with your financial goals and watch your desires become a reality. I want to thank you for joining this journey of financial and personal growth. Remember, these lessons from Think and Grow Rich are powerful tools for changing your life and achieving your dreams. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if it has inspired you. I'm here to help you reach your financial goals and grow as an individual. Together, we can achieve it. Until next time,